What are you doing, Mummy? What are you doing? Are you making a video? Seriously? You think I'm never ready? But you know, I'm always ready.
2,000 years later.
So, hey guys, this is Aradhana and you're watching Sparkle and Shine. You know, I was sitting on the couch reading a storybook while my mother just came and started making a video. You know, I was reading this book. It's not a story actually, it's a diary of a wimpy kid, which is the title as you can see. So I read most of the journals and it is made by Jeff Kinney. Is one of the international bestseller, a novel in cartoons. So you should also read it, whether you are a child, a kid, a toddler, or you
How
know.
can a toddler read the book, Aradhya?
Sorry, oh sorry, a grown up. So I was reading this book called The Wimpy Kid by Jeff Kinney, a novel of cartoons and the international bestseller. So someday I'm going to show you all my books. Okay, so you know I also like solving a cube. So I just break the sequence. Now I think we can start. I'm gonna start with the color of blue. So I'm ready now. So let's start. Okay guys, let's solve this with a cube. Okay guys, I've solved this with a cube as you can see and without editing. So if you want more videos, you can like, subscribe, share and of course press the bell icon.